Morning, folks. On this episode, I have some new parking bulbs. These are amber. Something I used to do in probably the late 80s. I had a lowered cowbug and I put amber parking lights in my car, so I'm sort of doing an old man thing to go back to your youth. Hang on, it's gonna be fun. Here we go. I did have 1 cup of coffee already, so I feel qualified. Maybe. So far, so good. A little tricky. Talk about a good seal, huh? Voila. Okay. Little screwdriver. I already opened them and looked at them. You know, when you get something new, you gotta open it and look at it. It should be pretty bright. Let's see if it works. What do you think? They're pretty neat. Pretty bright. I like them. That's it. That's all there is to it. Well, that took a couple minutes to do. Tonight we'll check them out, see how they look. Back to my 2nd cup of coffee. There you go, folks. I'm liking this.